Welcome guys, hope you're doing great. Today I'm gonna paint an easy seascape. I've got 16 by 20 inches canvas and I'm using acrylic paints as usual. Colors used will be mentioned on the screen and in the description box as well. It's been quite a while since I've last painted as I was traveling a lot in the last few months. And when I came back, unfortunately I got flu, so I was eagerly waiting to get well and paint again. I've already missed many of the videos from my loved channels, but nevertheless here I am trying to cover up. If this is the first time you're watching my video, please consider subscribing and press the bell icon for the future notifications. I'm blocking the shapes with base colors. It's a seashore with rocky hills on the bay. Then I'm painting the top of the canvas with more lighter tone, and as moving downwards it's darker. For the rocks, I have mixed 3 different shades of burnt umber with a tint of crimson in them. The idea is to give a sort of uneven hilly surface. At the top, I have used tiny bit of dioxide purple mixed with titanium white, and at the bottom it is turquoise blue with manganese blue hue. I couldn't resist myself from using palette knife for the hills. Actually, it's much easier to give a tacky look that is needed for them. I have also added tiny bushes on the rocks. Remember to make the shores a little darker, as if you notice, when stone and water are in contact, it creates a lot of algae and becomes dark greenish over time. I'm not that satisfied with the final look as I had a little different picture in my mind. Anyways, I don't wanna overdo it, so I'm calling it complete. Please share your feedback in comment section as each and every comment means a lot, and give a thumbs up if you like the painting. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a great day. Bye bye.